joint. These are eye, forehead, knuckle pin, and collar and taper pin. So introduction is the knuckle joint. It is a mechanical thrusting devices whose ring connected to rods is subjected into tensile force and applied the alongside angular momentum of between applications. So there are further leakage mechanism. The problem statement, it is a design knuckle for joint for using industrial door linkage. For this transmitting the required axial tensile force to open the closed furnace door, and it is the operates safely under high temperature, and it is the withstand cyclic loading. Second is the selection of the machine component application. First is the selection machine of component is knuckle joint. So it is knuckle joint is the mechanical connection used to joints in two rods for is subjected to axial tensile force. It is allowing slightly angular momentum between connected members. So justification is the ability to transmit tensile loading, allow angular movement. Next is easy to maintenance and replacement and suitable for high temperature. Next is the real life of application in knuckle joint for using industrial furnace door linkage. It is the corrective of environmental industrial furnace door. Its operates is the very high temperature for 500 degree to 1500 degrees Celsius. It is a very high temperature, dust, ash, and metal scale, heavy structure, and load thickness. Next is the nature of loading. It is the tensile load, shear load, repeat cyclic load, and minor impact load. So these are the functional requirements. This is transmitting high tensile, allows slight angular momentum, easy to assembly, and provide ground services. So next is the design inputs for catalog based on justification. Design load of E is equal to 25 layer and factor of safety is 4. These are the design inputs in this diagram for this is tensile load and steel cable and frozen post and steel cable.
What point is the loading and failure modes? First is component. Component is the nature of loading and failure modes. Knuckle pin double shear pressure and bending due to clearness. Shear stress and bearing. Stress bending stress. I was in bearing stress concentration pressing stress tensile stress. Torque in bearing pressure from on pin pressing stress tensile stress. Not first axial tensile load sliding motion tensile stress bearing stress. Material selection exam ready format. Knuckle pin material is EN830C8. Justification axial tensile load pressing and tensile stress. Conclusion 13C8 EN8 medium carbon steel is selected for the main knuckle joint components due to its adapted tensile and shear strength, toughness and economy. Photo support bronze is a selection for the bust and reduced wear.
This is the particle file that we found out. What is I was and material is 30 Celsius. Justification bearing stress tensile stress cyclic load. Conclusion medium carbon steel is selected for the I because it provides sufficient tensile and pressing strength to the withstand bearing pressure and stress concentration and the paint hole and ensure safe and durable. For paint, material is mild steel and medium carbon steel. Justification tensile stress, shear stress, cyclic loading. Conclusion is medium carbon steel is selected for the paint because of the provides sufficient tensile pressing strength to safety withstand axial load in the pressure from the pin. 6 is factor of safety. The factor of safety of all selected ensures safe and reliable durable performance of the